Like I ain't all this. Getting money, nigga, that my main focus. With 223, you act like you don't know this. But part of beam and my niggas always rolling.
What's up, KJ gang, and I'm back with another video. So you saw my BoxyLuxe unboxing video, and I've been saying in the video I'm gonna do this next video, I'm gonna use this next video, I'm gonna have that next video, this is the next video. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna use every single thing from BoxyCharm to do my full face. Let you guys know that I did use the sponge buffer in the shower. Smell nice, clean, soft. I like it, to be honest. Okay, so before I get into this video, please hit that subscribe button so you get videos from me every single time I post. Okay, so hit that subscribe button and be a part of the fam. Hit that like button if you like this video. Please hit it, because yeah. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of my makeup look, what you think about this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get videos from me every single time I post. If you don't hit that bell, you don't get my videos. So hit that bell and make me feel like a happy little jelly bean. Okay, now let's get right into this video. So I'm gonna take my cleanser and my toner and I'm gonna clean my face. Now I'm gonna use the anti-wrinkle day cream that I got in BoxyCharm. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna have to use this eyebrow brush, which is one of the brushes that got in the last month BoxyCharm. But I am gonna use this spoolie that came with the BoxyCharm I did in the video. So the eyebrows are done, so now I'm gonna conceal them and use my foundation, which I did not get any in the BoxyCharm, so I'm just gonna use my own stuff. So it came with a concealing brush, so I'm gonna test this out and use it to define and shape my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend out the concealer. Okay, so the concealer is blended. So before I do my foundation, obviously you guys know I do my eyeshadow first. So let's grab the palette. For my transition, I'm gonna use Transition right here. as like a base and a transition, I guess, because that's the name of it. So the brush I'm gonna use is this 229 tapered blending brush. Are you kidding me? Just for the outer eye, and then I'm gonna put on a shimmer on my eyelid. So I'm gonna use the same brush because it doesn't come with a lot of brushes, like eye brushes. So I'm gonna use the same one, and I'm gonna take Are You Kidding Me? So I'm gonna take this brush called Eye Shading. Crystal. I can't talk with my eyeliner, so this is gonna be sped up. Okay, so I finished the eyeliner on both my eyes. So now I'm gonna take this mascara, that BoxyCharm, and put it on my upper and lower lashes. So forget my bottom lashes. I'm gonna do my foundation first, and then I'll do my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna take my Fit Me foundation. Okay, so my foundation is done, and okay, so the powder is done, so now I'm gonna put the mascara on the bottom lashes. So now I'm gonna take the Wander's Dusk to Dawn. I'm gonna take the light blush. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of the pink just to add a bit more color. Okay. Okay, honey, okay. High definition brush and this gold highlighter, and I'm gonna put it on my cheekbone, my nose, you know. Now I'm going to use my Make 3D eyelashes, which did not come in BoxyCharm, but it did arrive at my house today, so I'm like, I am wearing them. And I got them on Wish, just to let you guys know. The lashes are on. I love it. The last thing is the Tarteist lip gloss shimmer. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did a lip gloss, I did my eyes, my mascara, my lashes, and my face with all of the BoxyCharm products. So if you guys like this video, please comment down below and let me know. Also, hit that subscribe button, hit it, okay? And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get videos from me every single time I post. I'll see you guys in those videos, and yeah, have a nice day, guys. Okay, bye.